All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the end of day PulseWave report of yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports. All right, I am running behind schedule. As you know, I had the doctor's appointment today, man. When I got back, I couldn't see nothing. They dilated my eyes and all that. I couldn't see nothing. So that was that. The dashboard is updated. So you can go to PulseWaveTrading.com, log in. The dashboard is updated. Go to Dex's watch list. I have a ton of securities on there because, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm announcing it here today. It's time to back up the truck. And I have a plethora of trades that I have put on. And I have even more trades that are ready to go, waiting to be filled. So if you check out tonight's trade journal, you're going to see all of those trades. I show you all my forex trades, all my crypto trades, all my equities trades, and all my futures trades. Yes, I have trades going in every market: stocks, bonds, futures, forex, and crypto. We're talking a lot of trades. I have officially backed up the truck, not playing around, not playing no games. And I'm tired, so let's go ahead and knock this out. I'm going to move as fast as I can here. We're going to look at these charts. I'm going to show you a little something, and then you can decide what it is you're going to do. All right, so first chart here is ADA Cardano, and this is what we got here. We have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, looking like Cardano wants to bust it back up into the Kumo cloud. It's been chilling down here, and I think it's tired. It doesn't want to go down here no more. I think the market is done falling for the moment and wants to run. Where might it run? Well, I think there's a good chance the market's going to try to get between the 55 and 65 cents. So get ready for your run. This is what we're looking at. Now, this market has been in a bear market. You can see that there. And as far as how the market itself has been moving, it's been all over the place. You don't need me to tell you that. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, it has been all over the place. And it's been a bear market. So you've had these bear market rallies. You've had all types of stuff going on here. And the only thing you can do is take what the market gives you and keep it pushing. So right now, looks like this market is ready to try to get a little rally going on. All right, next up, what do we got? We got Litecoin. So Litecoin is trying to push higher. As you can see here, it's trying to do a little something inside of the Kumo cloud of death. And right now, I think we've been hanging out here at the lower ends of it. It is a possibility it could fall out of the cloud, but I don't think that's happening right now. I think the market's ready to try to test up toward the middle and upper ends of the Kumo cloud. So you may try to get a test back up to 60, maybe even 65. We'll just see. I mean, your longer consolidation inside of this Kumo cloud is apparent. So we'll see what energy the market may be able to muster. But right now, is not a whole lot. All right. So you're sideways with a possible bullish bent in there. Next up, you have Theta. So Theta also has a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. You got these wide Kumo clouds here. You're at the bottom, as you can see. I think the market's going to try to get back up to at least the 145, 150 level. I think that's doable. We'll see what happens. You know, these altcoins have really been struggling, so we'll see if they can get anything going. I also got a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading in XRP Ripple. I think the market's done dropping for the moment. Of course, you could always fall right out of this cloud, but because of the momentum's been flat here, I think the market's just going to keep weeble wobbling around. So you can take that with a grain of salt. But this rally alert here, we'll see if we get any kind of production out of it. you have been flatlining, like I said, for at least 2 weeks here. So maybe the market's ready. All right, looking at the Bitcoin futures. So Bitcoin futures, same thing here. You fell out of that Kumo cloud, as you can see here. The market is trying to get something going here. You thought you were going to have a continuation pattern to the downside, but that's just not what has happened. Therefore, I think the market's going to try to run here. All right, so it's going to get back up into this Kumo cloud, which should see the Bitcoin trying to test the 23,000 level again. The 23,000 level is going to be a key resistance zone because it marks the bottom of the Kumo cloud. Does it have enough to get back into the cloud? If it can't, then I see the market relocking back in on this bear market and falling to possible new lows. So I know, ouch, but it is what it is. So right now, I think the next trade for tonight and tomorrow will be on the long side of the market. Next up, you have the Ethereum futures. So Ethereum futures are a little bit different. You're now top side of the Kumo cloud in the algo chart, and you have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. This one looks to want to run back up to maybe 1850, maybe even 1900 is in play on the Ethereum. Next up, we have the US dollar, which has powered itself right back up again in this bull market. Yes, you can see the market is in the bull market here. And you can see how the price action is taking place outside of the Kumo cloud, hitting new weekly highs, trying to hit new 52-week highs. Haven't got there yet, but the market is running. It is trying to hit a new 52-week high. Can it do it, or will this be a failed double top and then a drop? That's the challenge going forward. Where's the play right now? The play right now is either or. This thing could take off, or it could collapse from here too. So whatever you do, just be ready for anything. Next up is the Dow. So take a look here at this Dow. This is ticker DIA, the diamonds. You notice how we had the primary crash alert, and it's been down steadily since then. And I'm looking for another drop between tonight and tomorrow's trading. I think the market drops again. I think it wants to test the top of the Kumo cloud, which should get this market down to the 320 level. I know, ouch. Look out below, look out below. Next up is gold. Now, you would think gold would have performed or been performing a lot better, but I guess not ever since you crossed over from the bullish to the bearish zone. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, this market has fallen out of the bull market paradigm and is now in a bear market paradigm. You've had a bear market rally since you crossed over to the bear market side, and that seems to have all but faded. But wait a minute, there's hope. We have a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. I think this market now wants to try to get back into the Kumo cloud. And I would say the target is around 166 for DIA. So rally alert for tomorrow. Let's see what this market can do. And I keep saying DIA. This is gold, GLD. I'm sorry. All right. Next up, we got the Russell Hustle. The ticker is IYM. I'm sorry, IWM. I'm tired. This one is setting up also to fall down top of the Kumo clouds around the 178 level. So look out below. You're in the bear market there. Next up is the real estate sector, ticker IYR. Looks like a short is being set up on this one too. It's not too far away from the 95 handle, which is where the top of the Kumo cloud is. So I think SRS should really be in effect for tomorrow and should pop as this one drops. Next up, we got oil. Ticker is OIH. Now, this one has been really keying off of the futures really nicely. It's trying here to break outside of the Kumo cloud and go topside, and I think that is definitely in play. We do have a rally alert for OIH for tomorrow, So definitely something that you want to watch on that one. I know the resistance at 255 is sitting there, but if it can break out of this cloud, it's possible this market can start locking back in and running again. All right, so I think the market is definitely due for that. So definitely an opportunity here in oil. I think the sell-off in oil has ended for now. NASDAQ 100 by way of the cubes, QQQ. This one's ready to drop too. The Kumo Cloud support is setting at $300 a share. Look out below. Silver. Well, you would think silver would have been ready to do something too, but no. Looks like the next play is to the downside on silver. Unfortunately, that's what it's looking like it wants to do. So I think this market is going to test the 52-week lows here where the grizzly bear is waiting to meet it. And we are still bearish, very much so. So sorry to have to burst your bubble on that one. But this market is ready to roll, ladies and gentlemen. Next up is the S&P 500 by way of ticker SPY. This one looks like it's ready to drop as well. Top of the Kumo cloud at 395 is where your support is setting right now. And I think the market has a very good chance to do just that. Next up is the bonds, ticker TLT. All right, so I thought that bonds probably were going to try to get up out of this, but this bear market is relocking back in, and bonds seems to be ready to fall. We just hit a new low, a new weekly low, and I think it's not finished dropping yet. I think it wants to test the 52-week lows. So strap in. Bonds are not looking good at all. And last but not least is the US dollar by way of ticker UUP. And we have a crash alert for the dollar for tomorrow's trading, ladies and gentlemen. Crash alert. So it looks like my UDN long position is going to be bailed out here. That's a good thing. But yeah, the play is to the downside. I think the market's going to test the top of the Kumo cloud support around the $28 range. And then from there, we'll see what happens. But that, yeah, it's around $27.70-ish. So yeah, I think this one's ready to pull back. And we'll see what happens. You did have some gapping on the way up that was back and filled, and now the market is ready to pull back. You really haven't had a decent well, actually, I take that back. You just got off of a decent correction right here, and they didn't do any technical damage. Market just came right back up. So this will really test the resiliency of this market. This primary crash alert is saying that the run in the dollar could be over, folks. Let me see here. Let me see. Where did we get? Yeah, we haven't had a crash alert in a minute. So yeah, since this market crossed over from bearish to bullish, we have not had a crash alert. Not like that. Yeah, this is every pullback has been a buying opportunity. Actually, there have been no crash alerts. None. Look at this. No crash alerts, ladies and gentlemen. No crash alerts at all. Every pullback has been nothing more than a buying opportunity. Every pullback. Unbelievable. This has been one of those where you just get long and strap in, and you haven't been getting too many buying signals along with it. It's been buy and hold. Okay, you got one right here. Wow. Yeah, this has been a long ride. Okay, then we just got another buy signal here on August the 8th. I'm sorry, August the 11th. And then we got another one here. The last call for alcohol was on August the 15th. So that was the last run. This is it. Yeah, man. I think this run in the dollar is over, ladies and gentlemen. So with that being said, remember, smash that like button. And if you haven't taken the 14-day challenge, come on over to pulsewavetrading.com. Take that 14-day challenge. You can sign up for free, get the PulseWave reports, make money with us, see how much money you can make in these next 14 days. I double dare you. I think it's going to be on and popping. That's why I backed up the truck, and I have like 50 positions on right now, and I'm ready to do it. So with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.